Alright, so here's how you can switch your PayPal personal account into your business PayPal account. So here we have
Subscribe now.
search button. Let's search PayPal. Okay, so here, let's go here. And now let's log in our account, our personal PayPal account. So it says that you have to put a code sent to your cell phone number. Let me put the code that was sent to me. Alright, there you go. Just wait for a while and then, alright, we're here now. And here at the upper right side of the PayPal website, we can see the settings icon here, and then let's click the settings. It won't work when you are using your phone, so you have to use a desktop or a laptop. Okay, so here as we click the settings, we can scroll down and we can see the upgrade to a business account. Alright, now just wait for a while, it's loading. Okay, you can search the business type that you have. Continue, and you need a business account. It's free to sign up for a business account. Please choose an option: create a business account or upgrade your account. Okay, and then continue. It's up to you if you want to create your new business account or you want to upgrade your PayPal personal account. It's up to you. But for me, I want to use my personal PayPal account and want to upgrade it to a business account. So it says that we have to complete the following information about your business. Okay, the business phone number that I use, business address, it's correct. Then by clicking agree and continue, I must suggest that you read the user agreement and the privacy statement here, and or the terms and conditions, so you will be more aware, alright, to the things inside the PayPal business account. But for now, because I already read those things inside, I am gonna click this. Okay, and so let's agree and upgrade account. Just wait for a while. Okay, there you go. Oh, I forgot to create the website, but later on I'm gonna put a website there. But for that, I'm gonna put the product, the service keywords. Okay, okay here. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, let's check the data. Tell us more about you. Then submit. And just wait for a while, it's loading. And alright. Okay. So here, compared to personal profile account in PayPal, a business PayPal account is more detailed. Okay, so you can have an invoicing like that. Okay, and many more. So you can explore more. Alright, okay, now we're done.
Congratulations! You finally switched your personal PayPal account into a PayPal business account. Always remember that knowledge without action is meaningless. So, what are you waiting for?